What's up guys, welcome back to another video painting the crew cab. So if you guys have been following along, we got the whole thing sanded, we got the holes in the body filled, we got the front end, the front clip aligned as good as I can get it right now. So that's really good. So the plan for today, I'm going to work on a few obvious dents that I don't necessarily need it primed to do that. Namely this dent right here in the door, which is kind of hard to see right now. Hopefully by the end of today's video we are ready to pull it into the garage and prime it. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing I did was wiped off all the sanding dust. Here's the dent is mainly right here, but it goes into the body line a little bit and below. So I've taken the door panel off on the inside so we can access it with the hammer and dolly. So I'm going to let that dry a second, put some guide coat on it, block sand that really quick, see where my highs and lows are, and work from there. So normally you don't have to put your guide coat on that thick, but because this is kind of dark paint already, I put it on a little thicker so it'll stand out after I sand it. The low spots I'll be able to see it. So grab my mask. Alright, so you can see there's a low spot here, there's a low spot here, big low spot here, low spot here, kind of high around here, high around here, high right there, high on the outside of those two, especially high right here. So this is a complex dent, I must say. So we're going to try the best we can. Remember, the goal is get it as good as we can without having any high spots, and hopefully we can correct the body line as much as as good as possible. So let's just start working on it, you know? Ain't nothing to it but to do it, right, Weston? Alright guys, it's coming a little bit, the worst part is actually where my arm's going in the body panel. It's kind of sharp there, so I'm going to pull out an old trick of the trade. Actually, I don't know if that's true, but I think this will work. Alright guys, so it's coming out, but it's pretty interesting. It's really high right here and still low all through here. And I'm going to shut it real quick. And you can almost see if you can see this. It's kind of oil canned. And when I push in this spot pops up. So I'm going to try something. I'm actually going to get a basketball and deflate it, put it behind this so I can get a nice broad area pushing out this way, and then I'll lightly hammer on this and see if we can reverse that oil can a little bit. Just something we're going to try. I think it'll work, but we'll see. Alright guys, we are going with the finest quality bodywork equipment that I could find. This is a Disney princess ball. We've got a needle in it, got the air hose hooked up to it. So I'm going to try and get it right behind here because this whole part's low, this whole part's high, and it's kind of oil canned.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
This side done up with body filler, so I'm gonna do, there's some spots on the other side as well, but it's kind of in the dead of the sun and I don't know that that's bad for body filler, but like even when I put my hand on it, it's really hot. So I'm gonna wait for the sun to go down a little bit and then fill those sides, and we'll go from there. So while I'm waiting for this body filler to harden so I can sand it, I just wanted to have you guys comment below, is this video series, has it motivated you to try and do this to your guys' trucks, or is it turning you off of doing it to your trucks? Honestly, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. It's time consuming, it's laborious, but it's not terrible. And you know, maybe, you know, that's just because I'm not doing it completely right, but I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job so far. And I'm hoping it motivates you guys. I've had a lot of you message me on Instagram saying that you've decided to tackle this project, painting your truck, because of this. But comment below, what's this doing for you? Is it turning you off, or is it motivating you guys to get working on your truck, getting the body work and the paint done? So thanks for the support, guys. So put some more body filler on both these spots because there were still some low spots. So it's looking like for this video we're just going to get through the body work, and then we'll tape it off and prime it next video. So I'm going to finish off these spots, and then when the sun goes down a little more, I'll do the couple spots on the other side, and then we'll finish it out from there. So making good progress though. It's coming along, which is exciting. Alrighty, got this spot pretty good. There's still a little bit of a low right there. So when I mix up the filler for the other side, once the sun goes down a little bit, I'll put just a little bit more in there, but it's almost there. These two spots are really good. This one as well. So, alright, we got just, I don't know, wait about an hour or two, and then we'll hit, there's just a couple spots on this side as well as the spots that we plug welded. So we'll see when the sun goes down a little bit. Alright guys, it's getting dark out here, but we've got all, I would call this the gross body work done. It's not perfect, but it's where I want it to be for when I prime it and then block sand it. So I think that'll be perfect. So anyways, there's a look at it. There we go. So thanks for your support, guys. Like this video if you haven't yet. Next video, like I said, we'll be taping it off. I'll be showing you a cool product that someone showed me on Instagram that we're going to be using to tape it off and be able to get a better paint job with all the seals in. And then we'll be taping it off and priming it next video. So we'll see you guys then.